Hello everyone! This my short vlog for my MCU in living in IT era. The different water adventure in Samar.
The first one is in Malahog Beach, in Barangay Malahog, Calbayog City, Samar. The second one is in Tonok Falls in Barangay Tinaplacan, Calbayog City. The third one is in Cabubas Natural Falls in Tumbong, San Jorge. The fourth one is in Veriato Falls, Veriato, Northern Samar. The fifth one is in Spice of Life, Allen, Northern Samar. Mapanas Blue Lagoon, Mapanas, Northern Samar.
My hands were clenched in fists of rage. No angel born in hell could break that Satan's.
Imaga Rock Formation in Lavisaris, Northern Samar. Micomicco Resort in San Isidro, Northern Samar. The last one is in Langtaran Grove, White Beach, Mondragon, Catarman.
Hanggang sa muli, iba naman kami. Iba naman kami.
There's more lot of beaches and falls in Samar. I hope you like my video.